Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 65. The x-intercepts of a quadratic functions are 2 and -4. Which could be the functions? So let's review on some of the keywords here. We have the x-intercept, quadratic functions, okay? So x-intercept also is called the root, the solutions, zero, so for the quadratic equations, quadratic functions, we have the higher degree is 2, x squared, right? So we will have ax plus bx plus c, that is quadratic equations. And also if we can factor them, it will be like that with x and x like that. Maybe have like the coefficient in the front as well, but it's still the a, b, c here is the number. Okay, so to working on this problem, we will have x equal 2 is the root, x equal -4 is the root. So to be able to find the factor like this, we just kind of like move everything from the right hand side to the left hand side. So for this one, we -2 both sides. We have x -2, that equals 0. For this one, we'll add 4 both sides. We will have x plus 4 equals 0. So the functions f of x should have in the form of a x -2 times x plus 4. Alright, so let's working on this one. Y equal x squared plus 2 minus a. We have AC method for number 1, right? Is two numbers multiply equal. A is 1. In this case, multiply by -8. That -8. And then the same two number you add up, make it 2. This is A times C. This is equal B. Okay, for I, or for number 1 in Roman number. Okay, so we can have 4 and 2. We can have A and 1, 4 and 2, right? Which one gives you what pair, right? Gives you the product is -8 and the sum is 2. So probably this one with the negative on the smaller number. So we have 4 here, -2 here, -2 here. So 4 times -2, -8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we can write out this one as x plus 4 times x minus 2. So this is x plus 4 times x minus 2. And in this case, a in the front. So see this one, a in the front. You see nothing, mean 1. So we move on to the second one. So yes, number 1 will have the x-intercept at -4 and 2. Check. Now for number 2, we'll have y equal -2x squared minus 4x plus 16. at first I always looking for the coefficients, right? It's kind of all even number to me, and also it's have the negative in the front. So let's taking out the -2. I want to factor -2. So if I take -2 out, I left with x squared plus 2x, right, minus 8. So this is -2 right here. While I take the -2 in the front, you will see we have left with x squared. 4 is -2 times 2x. When you take out -2, you have left 2x. Yep, because 4 is 2 times 2. Similar to this, -2 times -8, that is 16. So take -2 out, you have left with -8. And you see this part is exactly 1, right? So we just write down at equal -2 times x plus 4 times x minus 2. So yes, number 2 have the factor, right? So it's yes. Now working on number 3. Number 3, y equal x plus 1 all squared minus 9. So we can only doing here is we have to open the parenthesis and simplify these expressions, right? So we have x plus 1 all squared is x squared plus 2x plus 1, then minus 9. Simplify this one, you have x squared plus 2x minus 8. And this one exactly number 1. So we will have x plus 4 times x minus 2. So number 3 is work, right? So 1, 2, and 3 work. In this part, you can remember the fact that if you have a plus b all square, the perfect square is a square plus 2ab plus b squared. So a is x in this case, plus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Here is 1 square, here is 2 times x times 1. This is x squared. Adding. So the quadratic keywords right here is just making sure that you only have that or those two root or x-intercept. 2 is the numbers, okay? Number mean the first one and the second one. So 2 right here is the root, the first root. -4 right here is the second root. So that is 2 total root. Quadratic only have those 2 root. Have 2 root. But I mean in this question it's we already saw that, right? So it have the form look like that. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.